Hello, and thank you for taking the time to view this video. In this video, I will talk about the masterclass that MD2MD are running in May for you. And I hope you're curious about LinkedIn because let's face it, virtually everyone I meet, I'm sure everyone you meet in business is on LinkedIn. But the question I want to ask is, are they using it effectively? Are you using it effectively? But also, time-wise, how much time do you spend on LinkedIn? Now, I've been doing LinkedIn training for 15 years. And in that time, I have to say that the majority of people that I bump into, I work with, I look at their profiles, and I've looked at over a quarter of a million. They're not using it as effectively as they could be. And that's mainly down to LinkedIn, owned by Microsoft, because they have not bothered to, when you first joined, send you a manual on how to set it up. Or secondly, as they keep changing it, and it's an ever moving feastable goal, that one is, they don't bother telling you about those changes and how you potentially could use them. So what I like to do during this workshop is to show you how to set up your profile. But it is engaging and it does work. It is effective, but also what you need to be doing on LinkedIn and when and how, and the structure around making sure that you don't fall foul of the dreaded LinkedIn algorithm. So at the end of it, you can take away some implementable tools, because LinkedIn's a tool, it's a business tool. It's a business tool that can help you achieve your desired outcomes, and you will have enough information to go away and take it back to your team. Once you've implemented it, I know that you will see improvements. And once you see improvements and become effective on LinkedIn, yeah, I reckon that you're going to be a long way ahead of the competition because, as I say, 95% of people I meet are not using it effectively. So if we can get you into that 5%, think of the advantages that can give you. So I hope that's piqued your curiosity. I look forward to seeing you in May.